tikka. Now, just want to cut these into bite-sized pieces. Now, I'm using dark meat. It's less expensive, but you can use breast meat for this also. But it's just a richer flavor coming from the dark meat. Let's start our marinade for the chicken. There we go, all of that in. A few lemons. There we go. A little bit of salt. That's the first part of our marinade, done. Because we're gonna put these onto skewers. Toss this in there, make sure it's all coated now. Gotta get a bit of yogurt now. There we go. Don't forget to wash the hands. Now I'm gonna use a creamy yogurt here. This is gonna be part of my marinade. Bowl, wooden spoon. Let's get that in here now. This is plain yogurt, plain old simple yogurt. Let's start flavoring this yogurt now. Let's get a nice little mix, little cayenne, because that's gonna add the heat element. Turmeric, which is the base for all curries. White pepper. Little paprika for color. And for that sweet, hot, little garam masala now. This is a real mixture, South Asian in influence. There we go. Look at the color changing on this. We're not done yet. Fresh ginger. And I'm gonna show you how to peel it with a spoon. Just take it back. You can use your knife on this, but I find that you don't waste a lot once you use a spoon. We're not gonna use it all anyway, so. My trusty rasp. You can get fresh ginger just about anywhere. Fresh garlic, put that all in. Just put a little salt and a little olive oil. There we go. And straight into our chicken. Bring this up. I'm just gonna pour that all over. Nice mix in here. That is complete now. Want to get this into our baggie. Save a bowl, give a baggie a job. I love using baggies. Why? Takes up less room, and the meat, or the chicken in this case, is in contact all the time. All right, close it up. Mush, 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 into the fridge for 4 hours. My chicken thighs have been out for 30 minutes. Just wanted to raise them up to room temperature. Now, we call them chicken tikka, and tikka is just a South Asian word for kebab. So we're just gonna skewer these. The last tikka on. Time to get our chicken tikka on. Let's get a nice little oil in. Here we go. Nice. We spent all this time marinating. We don't want anything sticking. Grapeseed oil, you can use any oil you'd like. Let's get this chicken on. Now these have to cook for 15 minutes. Let's just get them on. I've turned off this side of my grill because I don't want my wood skewers to burn. There we go. And we're cooking with the lid up. So one more, and we'll start here. I'm making an L for love. These tikkas are gonna take 15 minutes. Let's get the chicken off. Chicken is perfectly cooked. Here we go. Again, that's off. We're gonna take it right off the skewers here, straight in.